back at Four Seasons. Oh, fuck me. Alright, well, that just happened. Literally 5 minutes into fucking riding. Everything's alright. This is the light thing's popped up a little bit, but it's just hanging on there by a clip, so it should be fine. That was bound to happen sooner or later, but that fucker kept coming for me. I'm sure you guys have seen the video. I didn't expect to get this dirty this fast because I fell. I jumped off it and rolled down the hill basically with the quad. Good thing is that it flipped back over on itself because this thing's heavy as fuck and I was not getting that myself. And also, it's a good thing it didn't flip on top of me. It was coming for me. I had my old one flip on top of me, but it was caught in jaggers or vines. So it wasn't really on top of me. It was like hanging by vines. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. What the fuck? How that even happened?
You alright? I know this one's way heavier than the old one, so. The crazy part is this is a fucking green trail, like the easiest trail possible. Well, easiest trail for this ATV park. I don't think I would have flipped if I was in four-wheel though. I was just trying to be ballsy and do it in two-wheel. Well, I guess they have the two most fun trails here closed for some fucking reason. It's alright, I got my video footage already. I flipped the fucking thing on a green trail, so that's alright. I wanted to do all the hard trails.